Today I'm making stir-fried crabs with green onions. What I have one whole crab here, cut in a little piece. If you notice, got right there. I got my claws with it. What you'll be needing is 12 whole green onions. That's my green onions right here. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1.5 cup vegetable broth, and that's my vegetable broth right there. And also we'll be needing 2 tablespoons cooking wine. That's my cooking wine right there. And we have 1.5 tablespoons oyster sauce and 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. Cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons water, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. And my sesame oil I have my green onions here. You need to separate your white part of the green onion, chopped in pieces like this. Then I have my green part of the green onions right here. So I separated them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my ingredients together. I have my vegetable broth here. I'm going to add my cooking wine to my vegetable broth. Add my oyster sauce to my vegetable broth here. Soy sauce. And I'm going to also go add my salt and pepper. And I'm gonna set this aside. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sesame oil to my water. Then my cornstarch. And I'm gonna stir this and set this aside. So what we have is we have our vegetable broth here. We set this aside for later use. Then we also have our water, sesame oil, and cornstarch that we're going to set this aside also. Now we're going to go and work on our crab. Okay, I'm ready to make stir-fry crabs with green onions. I have my skillet here. I'm going to go ahead and add my oil to my skillet. And then wait till it's ready. Okay, my oil is ready. I'm going to go ahead and add my white part of my green onions to my oil here. I'm going to stir this. And wait till it becomes just a little bit of golden brown. Then I'm going to add my crabs. If you notice, my onions are coming out really good, so I'm going to go ahead and add my crabs to my onion here and do a mix. Here we have our crab here coming out really good, and I'm frying my crab with white part of the green onion, and it's coming out really good. So I'm going to give another 5 minutes to it before I add my other ingredients to it. It has to be nicely fried. You notice, looking good here, delicious looking. So maybe another 5 minutes. Okay, my crab is ready. I fried my crab with white part of the green onion. It's coming out really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetable broth, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and salt and pepper to my crab here. And cook this for another 10 minutes. Once I add my vegetable broth to my crab here, I'm going to cover this and cook this under high heat for about 5 minutes. My crab looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and add my green part of the onions to my crab here. Do a little stir. Now I'm going to also add my number 2 ingredient, which is cornstarch water and sesame oil to my crab here. Do another stir. Okay, my crab is done, so I'm ready to serve. Here we have stir-fried crabs with green onions. If I do a close-up, you can see came out really good and delicious. You can serve this over rice, and very great idea for lunch or dinner. Tastes very, very good. Okay, thank you very much for watching.